Southern Utah monsoon. This is my video, yo. A little bit of rain up there, so anyhow, it's what my part of the place looks like, anyhow. So yeah, you can see all the rain stuff right down there. It's like all dripping right there. It's dripping right there. Right there, it's all dripping. Water's all hitting the house. Thunder and lightning just went off a minute ago, so I mean that was pretty scary. So see if we can get a video of the sky. It's all grayish, dark clouds. Holy crap, you can really see the mountains, man. Yeah, it's the mountains. And it's raining harder now. It was all light rain before, and now it's all yeah, you can see all the rain now. Right there. It's all coming down here from my feet. Standing next to the doorway. We brought our rabbit and dog in. Dog's in, so it's crazy. It's all like raining up in the sky. The sky's all crazy and raining. Yeah, you can see the side of the house. It's like right over our house. It's like right over my house. Scary. Yeah, anyhow, yeah, you can see all the trees. They're not really trees, but you can see the rain. It's the roof of my house. I'm in the garage. You can hear all the stuff all around here. It's all like crazy. Monsoon's here. First day it's rained like this all week. I've been saying they're gonna get a monsoon here. Streets flood sometimes. Houses all around where I live flood. So as you can see though, rain over there. There's a little spot like right here where my finger's at. It's all wet. And now it's raining even harder. Let's see other vehicles and stuff. Yeah, anyhow, things are kind of crazy. This is kind of weather that freaks me out. It's all raining and everything else, and it's all crazy. So I'm gonna go back inside. And thanks for watching my video. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. And thanks for my video. Subscribe, watch, rate, comment. Thank you.